In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Messenger for your Android device. If you're looking to switch to another language to make your conversations easier, or perhaps you're learning a new language and want to immerse yourself, this is a great way to start. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to unlock your Android device and find the Messenger app, which is usually on your home screen or your app drawer. Tap on the Messenger icon to open the app. Now, it's important to note that the Messenger app itself does not have a built-in option to change the language. Instead, it follows the primary language that you have set for your entire device. So, to change the language on Messenger, you'll need to modify the language settings for your Android phone or tablet. Let's go ahead and adjust those settings. Exit the Messenger app and head over to the main settings on your device. You can do this by finding the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Tap on the settings icon to open it, and once you're in, scroll down until you see the option labeled System. This is where you'll find various general settings related to the device's system behavior. Within the system settings, you'll notice an option called Language Input. Tap on this to proceed. Here, you'll see the list of languages currently installed on your device. If the language you want isn't already on the list, don't worry. Tap on Add a Language. This option allows you to view a comprehensive list of languages that you can choose from. Browse through the list and select the language you want Messenger to display in. After selecting the new language, it will be added to your list of preferred languages. You need to make sure this new language is set as the default. To do this, hold and drag your chosen language to the top of the list. This action designates it as the primary language for your entire device. Once this is done, your device will promptly switch to the new language setting, and Messenger will follow suit, displaying in the language you just selected. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with how other apps and device settings may now appear as this change affects everything on your device. If you decide later that you want to revert back to your original language or switch to yet another one, simply follow these steps again. And there you have it. That's how you change the language on Messenger for your Android device. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. See you next time.